Hello dear students, I hope you all are safe and healthy. Now it's our next session and we are studying history chapter 1, where, when and how. This is our first chapter in history. So first starting this chapter, which I just want to explain the area of subcontinent, that what are the areas of subcontinent. So before knowing it, we should know about the subcontinental areas like I, India, P, Pakistan, and Nepal, B, Bhutan, and B, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. These are the areas which are known as the subcontinental areas. And students, you know that India was known as Bharatvarsha in earliest according to the Vishnu Puran. Also, the country is lying on the north of the oceans and south of Himalayas is called Bharatvarsha. Means India has many names: Bharatvarsha, India, Bharat, and Aryavarta also. India was also known as Aryavarta. So these are the different names of India. So in this chapter we will study about the periods also. There are three periods in our Indian history. First ancient period, then medieval period, then modern history. Modern period means three. In this book, like in this session, maximum part of the medieval period you will study, like Muslim rulers and empire, then what happened on that duration. So before starting this, I just want to clear all the concepts regarding with it. Now, the Greeks referred to India as Indus. Greeks, PI here, Greeks also came in India. They were saying that India was known as Indus. And the 19th century, Minaz-i Sivraz in the chronicle mentioned the conquest of Hindustan and Muhammad Ghori. He used the word Hindustan. Means Hindustan was also the name, is also the name of India. Means you can say the names of India like Hindustan, Aryavarta, and Bharatvarsha, India. See that there are lots of names we can say. Now Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, these are the parts of parts of modern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. ये सारे parts हिंदुस्तान के नाम से जाने गए. And बाबर था मुगल emperor first. बाबर was the first मुगल emperor. ये पहला मुगल emperor था. 1526 में आया था and used the term Hindustan to mean whole of the Indian subcontinent. And Babar was invited here. Who invited Babar Khan? Daulat Khan. Daulat Khan invited Babar Khan in India. इब्राहिम लोधी के अंडर में वर्क करता था दौलत खान. एंड इंडिया उसने बाबर को इंडिया में इनवाइट किया था. देन ही फर्स्ट यूज दिस टर्म हिंदुस्तान इन 1526 इज केम इन इंडिया. Then Article 1 of Indian Constitution named the territories of states and union territories at India that Bharat, that it is a Bharat. Means Bharat is also the name of India, Bharat, Bharatvarsha, all these names, Hindustan. So you can learn the names. Thus the same term has mean different things at different periods of time. अलग अलग पीरियड में अलग अलग राजा है and they have given the different names. Okay, then foreigners, some foreigners came to India also. Today the word foreigner means a person who belongs to a country that is not of his own. Means अगर हमारे कंट्री में कोई नहीं है, अगर किसी और देश से आता है, then we will say that he is a foreigner. And in medieval times, a foreigner was the person who came into the town or village community from outside. दूसरे town से या village community से outside से अगर हमारे यहाँ आता है, then he was known as foreigner. And ancient time, in medieval time, sorry. In other words, a foreigner was someone unfamiliar to people living in the particular area. Now, our first topic is medieval period, the time frame. Okay, what was the time frame there?